What's up guys, it's your boy Chowballs here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a logo explode in After Effects. Let's get started. Alright, so first you want to have an animated clip of your logo. This is super easy to do with the 3D transform options. Once you have the logo animated in a way that you like, go ahead and pre-compose that and move all the attributes to the new composition. Then you'll want to add the shatter effect. This will be what the default view looks like. Click on the shape and choose the pattern that you want. I like to use the glass option. The repetitions will determine how broken the logo will be. You can also play with the direction as well. Now I would recommend switching the view to rendered so that you can see the logo actually break apart. Then go ahead and set the radius to 0 so that the logo comes back together. Then you'll want to go to where you want the logo to start exploding and set a keyframe for the radius on both force 1 and force 2. Then move a few frames past that and change the radius. You can now see how much that changes and how much it breaks. You can play with the other settings to get it to look exactly how you like. I like to have it break into really small pieces, so I will set the repetitions pretty high. I would also recommend having it fade out at the end. All you need to do is set a couple opacity keyframes, and there you have it. Hopefully that made it easy for you. If it did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.